friends, welcome back. My name is Suhail Khan. I am a Cisco certified trainer, and today in this video we are going to learn about the basic practical about the CCNA packet tracer. But before that, I am making this new video series of CCNA practical for all my subscribers who understand in English language, because many of my subscribers is from different countries and they tell me about that please make videos on English language. So I'll do one thing. So from now onwards, I'll make every video in two language, in Hindi as well as in English, because I have a subscriber. Some subscriber understand in Hindi language, some subscriber understand in English language. So whatever video I'll make in two language, Hindi and English. Okay. So let's start what we are going to learn in this practical today. In this practical, we are going to learn how to make topology in Cisco packet tracer, how to take PC, switch, router, how to connect link between the devices, okay, and how to configure the router in Cisco packet tracer. So this is CCNA basic practical in by Suhail Khan, that is me, and in English language. Okay, but before that, I am a Cisco certified trainer. I teach online training also. I give online training. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. So whoever want the online training, so he or she can contact me. This is my number 9773038607, and this is my email ID. Okay, so you can write it down email also, as well as you can directly contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. For online training, you can contact me. This is my number. Okay. So and before that, how to watch my channel. Okay, so you just have to go to YouTube and just type CCNA by Sohail Khan, like this, CCNA by Sohail Khan, and here is my channel. My channel name is CCNA Expert, because if you want to be an expert, learn from expert. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just click on the subscription and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification, like for every video which I'm going to upload in the future. So just hit the bell icon so that you are updated by each and every video whatever I will upload in the YouTube. Okay, so here you will get all the videos. Just go to the CCN Expert. Here you will find all the videos of mine. In videos you will see all the videos of CCNA. Okay, some videos in Hindi language, some videos in English language. Now you decide in which language you want to learn. So now I start making, this is the first video I start making in English language. Okay, in English language I start making the first video, so that you guys who understand in English, so you take the benefit of this. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting time. Okay, so this is a Cisco packet tracer, a software, a simulator on which we are going to learn. Okay, now how to take PC. See here, this is the end device. So when you click here, you will get all the devices over here. But we want a PC, okay? So I'll just click one PC here and one PC here. And in this another PC here, and the fourth PC is here. So this is how we take the PC in Cisco packet tracer. And as I promise you that I give 100% expertization guarantee. Here see, if I teach you, I give 100% expertization guarantee. Okay, and demo lectures are also free for online trainings. Okay, so now I want to connect this PC with the help of switch. So what I will do, I'll click here. This is the symbol of switch. So when you click here, you got the multiple series switch of you. Okay, but I'm taking this 2960 series 1 year. Okay, and I'll place one switch here for LAN connectivity, and I'll take one router also, one for this side and one for another side. So I'll click, this is the symbol of the router. So when you click on the router, you will get multiple series of router. Okay, so I'm taking this 2811 series router. So one router I'll put it here, and I'll select one router and I'll put it here, just make an alignment. Okay. Okay, so now this is how we can take the devices in Cisco packet tracer. Now second thing step is about the connectivity, like how we connect. So see here, I want to connect this PC to this switch. Okay, so now PC and switch, these both are different device, And whenever you want to connect a different device, you will use straight cable. Okay, straight cable. So this is the link connection. When you click on the connections, you will see the lot of type of connection. So this is the copper straight through cable. Okay, see here, copper straight through. Okay, so you have to select this cable and go to PC. Here you have a two option, RS232 and fast Ethernet 0/0. As I promised you guys to make you an expert, so that is why I'm teaching you each and everything, like what is the meaning of the command, how to, why we are taking such type of link, what will be the port. So when you click on the PC, you get the two option, RS232 and fast Ethernet 0/0. Now what is this? Okay, RS232 is the serial port through which we connect the console cable, because in real time scenario we use console cable. Okay, we use console cable to connect to the router if you want to configure the router. But right here we want to connect the PC to switch. So I will select this fast Ethernet 0/0 and I'll go to switch. So on switch there are multiple ports, because this 2960 series is 26 ports switch. So I can connect anywhere, like I can click anywhere, but right now I'm clicking on fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, same thing I'll do with this PC also. I'll click on this PC, I'll go to fast Ethernet 0/0, I'll go to port number 0/2. Similarly, I will do the same thing here also. I will go to the PC and I'll go to switch fast Ethernet 0/1. Again, I'll select the cable. I'll go to PC, fast Ethernet 0, and here fast Ethernet 2. Now, I want to connect this switch to this router. So what I will do? Okay, again, switch and router are different device. So if you want to connect different device, you will use straight cable. Okay, again I'm selecting the straight cable. Okay, I'll go to the switch. I can connect anywhere. There is no such a fixed port like you have to connect here only. So that is why you can connect anywhere. So I'm taking this fast Ethernet 0/3. So I'm clicking here, and when I click on the router, four ports are showing. Now what is this auxiliary port? Auxiliary port is the port where the modem is connected. For an example, your company needs an internet connection. So the internet connection came and at modem. And that modem is connected to your auxiliary port for internet connectivity. So auxiliary port is to connect the modem for internet connectivity. Now what is this console port? As I told you, that console port is a port through which we configure the router. If you want to configure the router in a real time scenario, you will use the console cable, okay, to configure the router. Now this fast Ethernet port is the port through which you connect the switch to the router. Okay, and there are two ports, 0/0 and 0/1. So you can connect on any port. Okay, but so right now I'm clicking on fast Ethernet 0/0. Same thing I will do with this topology also. Okay, I'll connect here 3 and 0/0. Now I want to connect router to router with the serial cable, but by default into a 111 series there is no serial port, so we have to add a port if you are taking to a 111 series router. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just go to the router. Okay, and I'll off the router. This is the on and off button. So you have to off the router, and below the modules you will see a lot of modules. So I'm taking this WIC2T is the serial port, so I'm just dragging the port to the slot number 1. You can drag anywhere. Okay, you can drag anywhere. So I'm dragging here in port number 1. Okay, if by mistake it is happened, then just click here and again take like this. Okay, and now don't forget to on this router. Many students make this mistake. Therefore they insert the port, but they are like forget to on the router. So don't forget this thing. Okay, now I'll do the same thing here also. I'll go to the router, I'll off the router, scroll down this thing, and WIC2T is the name of the serial port, and I'm dragging here, and don't forget to on the router. Now I will connect the serial link route. So you have two type of serial link, one with the like clock and with another clock. This clock and this clock is for like DT and DC. This is for speed configuration. Okay, that I will explain you in the next part. But let's see about this. So I'll select this DCE. Okay, I just click on the, see now I have another more option, serial 3/0 and serial 3/1. So I can connect anywhere. So I'm taking 3/0 and here also I'm taking 3/0 like this. Okay, so this is how you take the PC, this is how you take the switch, this is how you take the router, and this is how you make the connectivity between these routers and switches. Okay, so this is all about the part 1. Don't forget to watch the part 2, part 3, because I'm making this video series in a part, like part 1 basic practical, part 1, part 2, part 3, so that for you guys it is be easy to learn in 10 minutes videos or 8-minute videos. Okay, so this is all about the part 1, and if anybody want me to take online training, so he or she can contact me at this is my number 9773038607, and for online training you can contact me at this number. For part 2, please watch the next videos. Thanks for watching and thanks for loving support and thanks for subscribing.